Welcome to Trikana Skill, your lifetime career partner. Trikana is a pioneer and trailblazer in the field of civil engineering and construction training, seeking to bridge the gap between engineering studies and the construction industry. Water permeability test for concrete. CONFirming to IS code 3085 to 1965.
Introduction. Permeability. It is defined as the property that governs the rate of flow of a fluid into a porous solid. Water permeability test. Permeability of concrete is important when dealing with durability of concrete, particularly in concrete used for water-retaining structures. Permeability tests measures the ease with which liquids, ions, and gases can penetrate into the concrete. Apparatus. Concrete permemeter apparatus consists of a permemeter cell, pressure gauge, data acquisition equipment to record, diamond cut saw, balance of suitable capacity readable to 0.1 grams, supply of de-aired water, vacuum pump, vernier calipers, diamond core drill, 100 mm diameter concrete mold complying with AS 1012.8. Worksheet for graphical representation.
Procedure. Obtain samples of hardened concrete of appropriate diameter from existing structures by diamond core drilling or from molded specimens. The specimens shall be prepared in accordance. Using a diamond saw, cut a section of the sample to allow approximately 2 mm clearance at each end of the room temperature vulcanizing silicone rubber seal. The test sample should have a minimum length of 2.5 times the maximum aggregate size. The cut section will be the test sample. Condition the test sample in accordance with the saturated surface dry state, deleting the section referring to the use of epoxy resins. Fill the voids that are 2 mm or greater in diameter that occur on the sides of the test sample with plasticine or a similar material. Measure and record the mass of the test sample to the nearest 0.1 g and the diameter, d, and length, l, of the sample to the nearest 1 mm. Seal the test sample within the permemeter cell. Ensure that the permemeter apparatus is completely filled with de-aired water and contains no air pockets or bubbles. Apply a constant pressure head of water to the inflow side of the permemeter cell and continuously monitor the pressure throughout the duration of the test and record the volumetric inflow and outflow of water. Continuously monitor and record the ambient temperature, to the nearest 0.1 degrees Celsius. Ensure that the temperature is maintained within a range of 21 to 25 degrees Celsius. After steady state flow through the sample has been achieved, monitor and plot volume flow Q against time t until the slope of the inflow and outflow lines can be achieved. Calculate the permeability by taking the mean of the inflow and outflow plots within the steady state flow range. Remove the test sample from the apparatus and measure and record the mass of the test sample to the nearest 0.1 g. Calculation. Coefficient of permeability is calculated using the following formula. K equals Q into L divided by TAH. Where K equals Darcy coefficient of permeability meter per second. Q equals volume of water in cubic meter. L equals length of the test sample in meters, to the nearest 0.001 meter. T equals elapsed time in seconds. H equals applied pressure head in meters of water. A equals area of the test sample in square meter. A equals pi d square by 4. Where d equals diameter of test sample, to the nearest 0.001 meter.
Thank you for your time. If you have any queries, do not hesitate to contact us.